Nicole, what are you doing?
Showering.
What? We're still at home.
Yeah, but this is a different shower.
Oh my God. All right, good morning, everyone. We're just starting off our day. Still pretty early, and it is that time of year again. It's like 65, 66 degrees this morning. I'm still wearing shorts, but it's starting to be nice again. I can actually get out, do a little bit of work. So we just left you last week, and we just finished up our frame for our mock, or our proof of concept for our shower sliding addition. And everything still looks good. It's still rolling well. But today we're going to put some plastic on the sides, and I got to finish up where the light's hanging there. We've painted yesterday. Got a nice little coat both sides on this guy. So that's going to be where the shower hangs over. And then we had this piece that I was gluing up, and everything should be form-fitting. I need to trim this edge off now. So that's where your shower cap will come off, and then I got to give this a nice paint. This is all meant to kind of fit into each other, and then I'll test fit everything one more time, and then we'll get it all installed. Alright, so off camera we went ahead and installed our panel for the top and the back, reinstalled the light. So we'll need to go through and caulk a little better around the sides. Got a little gap there, and on this side over here. Again, this is all temporary. This is proof of concept to make sure this is going to work on our trip. See what things we do and don't like, and then we're going to build it out of something better. So now we're going to put the plastic on here. All right, a couple moments later, and we have a temporary situation. So for this trip we do have a Nautilus that we're going to put on once we get the finalized stuff, but until then we'll drape a little shower curtain there. First thing in the morning we'll go ahead and throw a shower to it, see what's up. So yesterday off camera we finished up rewiring this switch. This used to run the lights, but now we're gonna switch that out. I've got some dimmers that are coming for the lights. This is gonna be for our shower pump. So all we need to do is go up here, find our shower pump, and insert. Gander here. Oh yeah, I doubt you can hear it from down there, but it's sucking. So we're gonna go ahead and fill the system, see if we can get some water moving, and test this shower out, baby. So we're gonna fill our entire system here, and then we have an outdoor shower down below with hot and cold water. All right, so we just filled from the back. I'm gonna come up here, hit the pump, and it's gonna prime all the lines. So it's gotta prime all of our sink, and then the lines for the rear shower. So once we're done priming this side of the world, we're gonna come over here and turn this latch, and that's gonna prime our shower side. So you'll hear it start to bubble over here. Oh yeah, we're filling. Okay. So we're gonna stop priming that side. The water's actually right here. See it? See right here, baby?
Yep. Water's in there.
Okay. We'll pull this out. So this is the pump to prime everything over to here. Now the pump for the shower itself is over here. So now when I turn this pump on, all that water that we primed in there is ready to be circulated. So this is the first time that we've primed this line, so it may not work. Oh, I turned it the wrong way. So, never-ending shower. That's a recirculating shower for you right there. There's still some bugs to work out because it looks like the pan's full of water. So I may have pumped too much water into the system, which is okay, because now when we're ready to kill it, when we're ready to dump the system, this is going to dump both of our tanks and it'll start leaking out.
Can hear it.
Pissing. And if we want to expedite the process, turn the pump on, run the shower. And that's going to evacuate everything over there. So obviously I've got a lot of water in the system. I don't need this much water. So I think we're going to be able to take a shower for a day or two on half a gallon, maybe a gallon of water.
Wrong way.
Wrong way.
Yeah, you probably need to change that dial. We're gonna mess that up.
We're gonna F-bomb that up. And then we're done with the shower. Obviously, when you're taking a shower and you button everything up, you're definitely gonna wanna open your hatch and let this thing, exhaust out. Ladies and gentlemen, that is our recirculating shower. Turn this on when you start to drive. You'll let everything evacuate. Once it's all empty, then we're just gonna press the button again, and I'll start this pump again up top, and that again is for our sink side and straight from the tank. That's this pump right here, and that's actually, I'm gonna open this up. That's gonna start filling water to our shower side, in which now that that ball valve is closed, now that whole thing fills back up again and we have clean water. So essentially we can do that whenever we want.
I hope you enjoyed this video of our recirculating shower. Please don't forget to click and subscribe to our channel if you really enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with someone who may need it.
You need to go through and caulk a little better around the sides. Got a little gap there and on this side over here. But temporarily, we're gonna have to, because this is only temporary. Filming.